I just made the worst financial decision of my entire life. So this here, it's my brand new 07 F250. She's a Harley, baby. Harley edition. Now, I bought this because it was a really, really good deal. I just couldn't pass it up. I know you're thinking, huge mistake, junk. All it is a Ford brand milkshake maker. I promise it's not. These things are sick. And it's got freaking flames on it, dude. Let's check it out. Now, she's a little dirty. It's a little hard to see the flames, but they're under there, you know? They're there, right? So originally, I had this little Jetta TDI, you know, big diesel guy. It was getting real small. I hurt my back. I was kind of struggling to get in the thing. So it's like, well, that plus it's having issues. I think it's time to look for something else. Talk to Tony, talk to Charlie. You know, what do you think? What should I buy? Alex told me, oh, just buy Duramax. Those Fords are junk. I was like, dude, come on. So I ended up with a 6.0 Power Stroke. The reason I picked a 6.0, my dad had one. He bought it brand new in 07. Gosh, the thing was awesome. I had so many good memories of it growing up, and then, you know, it did the 6.0 thing and it blew up and then he got rid of it. So I've missed it ever since then, and I've always wanted another one. So 07 crew cab, short bed, 4x4, preferably a 250. And that's what I found. So this bad boy, she's got 37-inch tires, 4.5-inch lift kit, 6.7 mirrors that my buddy just hit his head on. This thing's great. Look at the thing. Ain't she a beauty? From there, bone stock, the rest of it. Motor, turbo, everything. She's all stock. So a good thing I work at KC Turbo, so I can get a lot of cool parts for it. So now that you guys have seen this truck, let's go show some of the boys. I love it. What do you think? What would you, Joe, if you bought this, what would you do to it, bro?
I'd throw a 9-blade in.
Man, no, because I've seen Alex's truck, that black thing. Whee! Oh, God. I'm not enjoying this.
Hey, you want to see something? Dude, I know my birthday's coming up, but chill.
Hey, Jake, I got a surprise for you.
Is it money, food, go home early?
No. Oh, hey, I just bought a truck. You want to come check it out? Pretty sick.
Welcome to the club.
Let's go check it out. Thanks, bro. I know it's not a 7.3, but it's pretty close. Anyway, actually, I bought that friggin' Harley, dude. Just look at it. Gosh, look at it. It's got freaking flames, Jake. I know. Come on, dude. Look at this thing. What do you think? What do you think? Honest opinions. No wrong answers. Unless you say you don't like it. Okay. All right, dude. All right. Cut it out.
I don't know, dude. 6.0s around here have bad reputation.
Yeah. We have, let's see. That one has issues. That one's good. Well, that one's brand. That one has issues, but that one's good. So we're like 50-50, you know? I think my truck is okay for now, you know? We'll see. It's pretty cool.
I do like there's more meat than metal.
Oh, yeah. Bone stock. Yeah. Yeah, because the guy was in Cali, so it's like, couldn't do anything.
Can't do anything.
Yeah. I was like, oh, perfect.
Bone stock.
I'm hoping that it's not blown up, which Tony says it's probably not blown up.
Okay.
Sick lift kit, sick suspension, sick wheels. Interior is super nice. Has heated seats.
It is a Harley.
It is a Harley. So how far behind my tailgate do you think you're going to be after we race each other? I think it's going to be like one truck, like 5 truck lengths.
I know it's your first 6.0, dude, but I don't know.
6.0, dude. Chewbacca, man. Chewbacca cannot be beat.
I think I'm going to leave you with a bunch of oil on your windshield.
All right. Oh, that's true. I won't be able to see after the race because you just smoked me out. Yeah. Got super nice tint. The guy just redid the seats, so they're all new. He freaking added seat heaters, which was like, okay, that's kind of baller, I guess.
Yeah. But I like my Lariat OG King Ranch interior. It's just, you know, modern classic, if you will.
Yeah, modern classic. It's got more holes than it does leather at this point.
All right. I bought it like that.
Let's go, come on. Oh, he walks me, bro. It's not even close. Not even close. Oh, no.
That was sweet.
Yeah, guys, it wasn't even close, dude. Jake just walked my ass. Dude, I can't freaking believe I just lost to 7.3.
Dude, a 7.3? Unbelievable. You still have those crappy cold guard plastic pipes?
Yes. Yes, I do.
That's your problem, man.
It's kind of what I was thinking, because I just lost to Not just 7.3, dude. I lost to an early 99. It's pretty much an OBS. It's pretty much an IDI. All right.
Oh man, there's no coming back from this one.
I'm a little upset about it.
You're gonna have to scrap the Harley.
Dude, I might just climb up these pallet racks and just jump off, dude.
Yeah, it's the only solution at this point.
Dude, scrap it, sell it.
Unless
I want to buy a Cummins. How about that? Sell this piece of junk. Yeah, Mr. Cummins guy right here.
might be too much of a sin.
No, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell this and buy a frickin' Duramax. And then blow up the Allison and have it to spend another 10 grand.
I don't know if that's the solution either. You know what you should do is you get those metal cold side charge pipes.
All right.
All right.
Oh yeah, that actually looks terrible.
Yikes. Look at that, dude.
Dog, you see the underside of this pipe, dude? Ow, the radiator's kind of hot too.
Yeah, you might have a boost leak here, dude.
Yeah, it's probably this friggin' sweet eBay special intake elbows, not ceiling. All right. Oh, let's try these on for size, huh? Dude, actually, you know, just take me for a ride. Here.
You big oaf.
Hey, guys. Oh, watch out, Jason. Oh, coming out. This is an OSHA violation. Gently.
Cameron, what's all this oil right here? Is this just a 6.0 thing or is this your truck thing?
I think it's a boost leak thing, all right? You know, Cole, you're talking an awful lot of for a guy who doesn't own a truck.
There's a reason why I don't own one.
Yeah, you're smart.
There's a bunch of problems and a lot of money.
I know. Ah, that was tight.
I think she was just starting to come loose too. That's what she said!
The stepped one, yeah, this is straight. So then I just need to put this red straight back. Skippity boop boop. Shoot up a bit of it. Skippity skippity boop. Shoot up a bit of it. Skippity skippity boop. Shoot up a bit of it. There you go. I'll just shove it on there. So if your 6.0 sells these garbage plastic intercooler pipes, do yourself a favor. Get rid of this freaking thing. Get something nice, something new, something shiny. Something that's metal. KC Turbos. Heavy duty intercooler pipe. Get yours now. Come on, guys. It's easy. No brainer. Do it.
If you're smart and you're not like us, you should probably remove this battery tray when installing.
It's gotta be easier if we pull it.
You gotta go around. Yeah, right there. Right there, brother.
Oh, chat. We're cooked. This isn't the right plan. Oh yeah, she's tight. Chad, are you seeing this, Chad?
I can definitely fit my in this anyway.
This is why we replaced the piping kit, guys, right here. Damn. You see how what happens? This was all stuff.
Oh, buddy.
The original piece.
It's already smoking out the back.
How fast we could blow off a boost tube? What do you think? LFG? Colton, what do you think? First pull, second pull? Or did we do this right?
Off start. It's going start up. Third time's the charm. I give it 3 pulls.
Did we tighten all the clamps? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
It's go time.
Which way? Okay,
Go left, 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 left.
all right, how fast can I blow a boost? Well, she's just a smoky, boys.
I can't take no loss. My team hold no L's, no. Aiming for the top, can't make it by myself. I ain't taking no.
Just be ready. It's coming soon.
See ya. Not even close, dog. Look at this. He's running away. Yeah, I'm out, dude. Dunzo. Absolute dunzo. Not even close, dude.
Oh my God.
Friggin' lose to a 7.3. I mean, shout out to the new like 300X. I think sick.
Yeah.
But this is embarrassing as hell.
That Gen 3 just made a 7 E99 walk a 6.0. We need to change something, dude. We got to represent the 6.0.
I need it, dude. I need a Jetfire. She's all stock. Some mo.
Do you have a boost leak or anything?
It's gotta be.
Yeah, we got to figure out. We need something.
It's pretty smoky, so
Yeah.
I probably have a boost leak because this is freaking embarrassing, bro. Yeah, Jason's like, oh, dude, you got to put in 4-wheel drive. You're gonna need it. I'm like, dude, I can't spin these tires.
I think that's too
definitely need a jet fire.